Bang Bule dan Mbak Bule ini penasaran banget sama jajanan tradisional Indonesia, sampai akhirnya mereka kena hipnotis sama kue onde-onde. Dikira dalamnya telur karena warnanya kuning. Pas digigit, ternyata kacang hijau manis nan lembut, ditambah kulit gurih dan taburan wijen, auto ketagihan. Kalau di daerah kalian, onde-onde ini namanya apa guys? Tulis di komentar.
Indonesia, we love your mystery snacks. What do you think this is, Alex?
Absolutely no idea.
It's like a bowl covered in sesame.
It smells good.
It's a bit oily.
No, it smells like oil.
You love mystery feelings, don't you? What is this now? Coconut?
I can't tell what it is.
Now one of my giant bites.
I'm gonna try the inside on its own.
Wow, this is so good. This is so good. Definitely going to the gym after this. Tell us, what is this? It's very crumbly. It's almost like sweet egg yolk. What is this, guys? Teach us.